I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming which Excel you have and why you're removing it. This determines the uninstall path. Next, backup templates, add-ins, and user settings to a safe folder so you can restore them later. Once done, close all Office apps and sign out of your Microsoft account to prevent activation or syncing problems during removal. This step avoids corrupted settings. Now move immediately to the system uninstall controls described next. Open Settings or Control Panel and locate Apps or Programs and Features. That's where removal happens. Select Excel if standalone or the Office Suite entry if bundled, then choose Uninstall or Change and pick Remove Features when offered. This ensures only Excel is targeted if desired. Follow on-screen prompts carefully and allow the process to complete. Make sure to reboot if prompted, because some files are released only after restart. After reboot, finish by cleaning up residual files. Remove Office folders and program files and app data and restore saved templates once you're sure the uninstall succeeded. If files or registry entries persist, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant or the official removal utility to force clean remnants. Make sure to reinstall or restore your settings from the backup and test activation with your account. If the installer fails, retry the removal tool and reboot. And key troubleshooting is to run the tool as administrator to resolve permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.